How to download CapCut on PC or laptop. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and make sure you are connected to a proper working internet connection in order to be able to download any app. Now, open App Store on your device and tap on the search bar there and search for CapCut. Now tap on the CapCut option, and if you have previously downloaded the application, you will see the download button with little cloud icon. So tap on that for the download to begin, and if you have not downloaded the application previously, you will see the Get button. Go ahead and tap on the Get button and enter your Face ID or Apple ID password for the download to begin. Wait for the download to complete, and once downloaded, launch the application by simply tapping on the Open option you see there, and this is how you can download the CapCut app on laptop. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.